This video covers TONEX versus Neural DSP, two powerful guitar software options. Choosing the right software can transform your tone and workflow without complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-driven modeling, while Neural DSP focuses on detailed amp simulation. TONEX and Neural DSP are both advanced guitar software platforms, but their core difference lies in approach. TONEX uses AI to create dynamic, expressive tones, while Neural DSP relies on meticulously captured amp and pedal models for authentic sound replication. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar modeling software developed by IK Multimedia. It works by analyzing your playing style and generating highly responsive tones that adapt in real time. This approach allows for natural expression, capturing nuances like picking dynamics and articulation. TONEX's strengths include its innovative AI engine and ease of use, making it suitable for players who want a versatile, organic sound without extensive tweaking. However, because it relies on AI modeling rather than traditional impulse responses or static profiles, some users may find it less predictable or prefer more conventional tones. TONEX is ideal for guitarists seeking fresh, expressive sounds and those interested in experimenting with AI-driven tone shaping. Neural DSP is renowned for its detailed amp and effects modeling software. It uses high-quality impulse responses and precise circuit modeling to recreate iconic amplifiers and pedals with exceptional accuracy. The software provides a polished, studio-ready tone that closely mimics physical gear. Neural DSP's strengths lie in its authentic sound and extensive preset library, making it a favorite among professional musicians and producers. On the downside, it can be less flexible in terms of dynamic response compared to AI-based systems, focusing more on replicating classic sounds than generating new ones. Neural DSP suits players who want realistic amp tones and a reliable, consistent sound for recording or live performance. Choosing between TONEX and Neural DSP depends on your priorities. TONEX excels in dynamic, evolving tones thanks to its AI engine, perfect for players who want expressive and unique sounds. Neural DSP offers unmatched realism and a vast selection of classic amp models, ideal for those who need studio quality, tried-and-true tones. TONEX may appeal more to experimental players, while Neural DSP fits traditionalists seeking faithful emulations. Both have user-friendly interfaces, but TONEX's adaptive nature can feel less predictable, whereas Neural DSP provides consistent results. For live performance, Neural DSP's reliability is a plus, while TONEX shines in creative studio settings. Ultimately, the trade-off is between AI-driven innovation and classic amp authenticity. Choose TONEX if you want an AI-driven expressive guitar tone that adapts to your playing style and offers fresh, dynamic soundscapes. Neural DSP is the best choice for players seeking realistic, high-fidelity amp and effects modeling with a proven track record. It delivers consistent professional tones ideal for recording and live use. Both platforms are excellent, so pick the one that matches your tone and workflow needs.